How to fix the missing post tab option in Facebook search. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the missing post tab option in the Facebook search. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, step 1 is to open the Facebook app. So here, first open the Facebook app on your phone, and now here at the top, you simply have to tap on the search bar. And here you simply have to type anything that you want to search. Normally, you would see something like all post people photos and videos right here. But here, if the post tab is missing, here is how you can fix it. So here you can simply update the Facebook app. So simply open the Play Store app on your phone and here simply search for the Facebook app. And now here, if you find any update button right here, simply update it to the latest version because sometimes the outdated version can cause the issue and Facebook often removes or hide features temporarily during updates. So having the latest version usually fixes this. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clear the Facebook cache. So here, if the update didn't help, you can try this. You can simply long press on the Facebook app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on App Info. And now here, once you are inside the app settings page, you simply have to tap on Clear Data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you just have to tap on Clear Cache and confirm it, and it will refresh your app data and help you to bring back the missing feature. And with that, step 4 is that you can try Facebook Lite or the desktop version. So here, if the post tab is still missing, you can try using the Facebook Lite option by simply searching it and installing it. And here you can simply log in with your credential and check and use the post features right there. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.